I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be. You were made to be. As you step on the road, I say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. So let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know I love you, so take with you